blankie or something.
In recording. Hey guys, this is our living room floor. It's also a kitchen floor, and the biggest room in our house floor. But it's a tile floor, and this is where we do computer assembly. This thing, that's Yaku's foot. Yaku's foot is not going into the PC, but this thing is. Putting down your
Well, I put my foot in the PC. That's
you can't put your foot in the PC, no. This thing too is going in there. That's my putar. That's my baby.
Hardware expert over there.
Yes, that's zigzag. Okay, let me move the camera. Records in 30-minute bursts, but if I put that there, maybe that'll be a good view of what's going on. Or maybe higher so they can see inside. How's that? That'll do. You might not hear much because I don't know how good the mic is on this thing, but there we go. Drinky. Away.
What is this?
That's awesome.
Why isn't it so bad on the inside?
It's okay. This thing slides out.
Good thing.
Dust collector.
Put this. I will take it with me, I guess. And weave it into a quilt.
Wow, there's spider webs in here. Awesome spider webs is awesome. You.
Have fun.
Oh, you're not helping.
I will help if you need me.
I thought you were like getting the saying you dislike the floor because you were gonna, make it comfy to stick around and stuff.
Well, that's my work there is done, obviously.
Oh, I was going to ask you to bring the hoover back, but I forgot. Where's the switch for this? I can remember.
Well,
that's the sound card.
What are we looking for?
The release for it.
It's usually. There it is. Do you have something sharp and pokey for me?
No, I'll fetch something sharp and pokey for you.
And plastic, hopefully, but that's okay. Metal will do. I'll be gentle. I'll be gentle with the sharp and pokey thing.
Chopstick? hiding in the bedroom because it's too loud. Come on.
Okay. Come on. That should be it.
Furry arms are free. It's stuck.
Well, I got the thing unclipped, but it's still stuck on that end.
Maybe sound card needs to come out first.
Sure. I think we broke one or two of those things with the last time we did the...
It's fine. It's mostly down when clipping it.
Are you going to go without the sound card on and just use the onboard sound on the new one?
I think so. I think the onboard sound on there is better than this.
Yeah, I suspect you're right.
Thing, which is very wedged in there. Wow.
Something's obviously not quite right there. Then what? I know. There. Bad angle.
Yeah. So this is unclipped.
Yep.
There.
No.
He's coming.
Use more violence.
Yay. Wow. Oh, here we go.
Okay, that's...
The game is stuck in this one.
That's it. There.
Whoop.
Freaking hell. Okay, hi, dude. So, look what look.
Sly.
Too sly.
Sly away. Sly. You can do it.
I'm a sly noob, so I don't actually know. I wouldn't actually know what I'm doing, but it's okay. We can. Careful, must we?
Yes.
Okay.
Of course.
So glad we don't have to relocate all this stuff again.
Yeah.
Was it a pizza the first time?
Maybe that's cool. Over there. Yes, first. Oh, they're off.
Okay. It's going on the chopstick.
Screwdriver. Fetch one.
Sure. We don't have any orange juice.
We do have tons of orange juice.
Oh, we do?
This is also...
Okay. We don't have vodka.
We do have vodka. We have something. We wanted to. Whiskey. Almost vodka there.
Awesome. Screwdriver.
Crosshair.
Oh, so I start. Oh, you
Selection.
You have a few there, yeah.
I can't find the crosshead, so
Well, I have one over here.
I don't like that. It's chunky.
It is chunky, but I like it anyway.
It's a chunky monkey.
I hope no blind people are going to be watching your video.
Even blind people are going to be watching my video.
I hope no blind people are going to be watching your video. They'll misinterpret a lot of this ongoings here.
It was loose, now it's not loose no more.
Snack, snack. Suck, suck.
Cats are deeply enthralled by computer maintenance. They want to come over and help all the time.
Photobomb! That's the question, where are all the screws going? Oh, here.
I can't remember. I think there's just 4 because the rest is mine.
Okay, this clip's loose, but I guess we can unclip it when it's...
Yeah. Oh, keep it on there and to stick it in the other PC, not to disrupt the.
Well, it's going to come off the motherboard, so...
Huh?
Still got to clip it off the motherboard.
Yeah.
Well, yes. New motherboard.
Clip this off the motherboard.
Yeah, take that off this motherboard and put it in the other one.
Does the other one not have a fan in it?
I don't know. I don't know what it has and does not have. I didn't see any. I'm being stupid. Or blind. Or both. Hang on.
The box is big enough, but maybe it's just excess packaging.
Actually, this it'll be with the CPU. Hang on.
Yeah. I shut down.
And also, and okay.
Skills.
Oh, I guess we could.
Skills. Okay.
Bad boy with cooling gel is a bad boy with cooling gel.
One more time.
What is this?
Anyway, on the bottom.
Can I eat it?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Is it tasty?
Very. Look at this. It's delicious. It's industrial waste.
Zombie dust. Okay.
Oh, are we gonna be good and actually
Swap the thing over here.
put this? I think it's the same size actually. Or is it? And it is and it isn't. Yeah, swap it out. Before the motherboard. Quick installation guide. What?
What's in here?
It's fancy. Throw it away.
Oh, RAM. This is where the RAM lives.
Yeah, sure.
RAM.
Which way is this? So that way. It's gotta. I just forget to put these things in until after the thing's been assembled. Crud. Okay, there you go.
Ta-da! Shiny.
Are there any stickers and things on here?
Yes, there's lots of stickers on there.
Oh, that's good. That'll do. Okay. Can we do the CPU first before we insert it? I think that might be a good idea.
Sure. Pretty monster.
Wow, smells fancy. Where did it go?
What this?
We found it. It's over there. I thought I took it out.
Oh.
I guess I didn't. Oh, look, which way did it go, George? Which way did it go? Okay, so we got. Okay, we got. Around. This over here. Wow, there's light here. It's amazing.
I know, right?
I can like totally see everything.
It's bent.
No, but is this just a placeholder? No, it's not. This goes on. How odd. I can't tell. If this was just a placeholder, if it actually goes on the thing.
I don't think it goes on. Doesn't this metal connect directly?
It's supposed to. Oh yeah, the heatsink.
Yeah.
I'm being an idiot. Because.
Heatsink no working through plastic.
Yeah, hang on a second. But no, something ain't. That's crazy.
What?
The only things holding it down are the two brackets.
Two little bits, yeah. But I guess this will hold it down more.
No.
Cool.
Think so.
I like these bits.
Military class, eh?
These shiny, look, it's all blue and reflecty and stuff.
I'm sure taking a toilet paper or wipey thing.
I put the wipey thing back over there. The wipey thing is slightly damp though. So,
I just want to wipe the top of the thing so that the heatsink gel crap doesn't anything standing in its way. Okay, no, whatever. And this I don't think is too particular about which way around it goes, right? Excuse me.
cool.
That's it. I don't believe it. It's a little bit loose.
Loosey goosey. That's fine.
Okay. I hope.
It's a bit bigger than the last one.
That's what she said.
Hee. Okay.
Oh wait, do we have little plastic thingies to hold it up from the motherboard, from the casing?
Last one didn't. Screen just went in.
I'm just wondering. Nope, no such thing. Alright, fine.
Which screen number 4?
Now, the big question is, which of these line up?
Yeah. And which screw number 4?
Oh, there's one.
Oh, there's screw number 4. Good.
That one.
Oh, awesome, the one right in the corner. I love that one.
It's easy to reach and everything.
There.
And this one. This one. Apparently seems to. Yep.
I think that one over there. That one, actually. That one doesn't. So this one.
Chunky fingers are chunky.
That one does, but there's no way I'm getting a screw in there underneath the lamp clips.
Probably doesn't need quite so many. I mean, before it was just 4.
Yeah.
Do I need to look?
Yeah, and do you want me to get that one?
Sure, do you have a better screwdriver than that though?
No. Where was the other one?
I've already done this one.
That one's fine. That one's fine.
We're good, I think. Oh, what a silly way to package it. The connector is under the fan.
Wasn't the last one like that?
Maybe, I don't know. Okay.
Fun. Oh, this way. Let's put it in black. No, let's put it in this way because it's open. Black and black, right?
Are you a mosquito? No, you're a
A
fly.
little moth. It's black and black. I'm trying to remember how they play them. I think it's like this. There.
Doing a paring knife.
Okay.
Now, should we do the cards next? Alright, big one. This I believe is the primary slot. Hang on. Blah, blah. Okay. Primary, not so primary. But before we do that, I just want to check out how this one's going to fit in and where. Okay, I just want to yank this out before we start. Okay, there you go. I've yanked it.
It's kind of fuzzy in there. Ew.
Let me go get the tube. The dual tube. I think stop recording it.